In front of me is Microsoft Surface Go 2nd, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on this device. So first of all, you need to open your camera app. Let me just enter camera to open, as I do not have the shortcut on my home screen. Here it is. Say hello to our camera, and now you can zoom in or out as only you wish to capture the screen. And in the middle of this of the camera, you've got the timer icon. So just mark it. And if you click once, it's 2-second delay, then 5 seconds timer, and then the last one is 10 seconds timer. So just pick the preferred option, for example 5 seconds. Now grab a photo, and as you can see, it will be done after 5 seconds. And that's it. Whenever you would like to switch it off, just mark twice to see that is deactivated, and now the picture will be grabbed right after you click. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.